Guys, so today I'm going to show you how you can find UFC application on your LG TV. You can either find it or install if it's not installed. I'll show you everything. So here we have YouTube, which we don't need today. So we press the home button to get to the home screen. And now if it was already pre-installed on your LG TV, you will find UFC icon on this application line. So you need to just locate it and open it. But if it's not installed on your LG TV, you need to go to this application icon. You click on that. You wait for it to launch, and once it is done, we go to this upper right corner of our screen and find this search icon. We click on that, and then using this virtual keyboard, we need to type in UFC. So once you found it, you click on UFC, and then in this new app line, which shows both installed and uninstalled application on your LG TV, you just need to press OK, and then it starts either launching UFC application if it's already installed on your LG TV, or if it's not installed, it will ask you if you want to install it. And all you need to do is just to press install, and it will start the process of installing UFC application on your LG TV, and you can access it very easily in the app line I showed before. So if you found this video useful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel.